Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So I have this zoomed way out, or you could just go to the 4 hour time frame, just so that way you can see that this is the first breaker structure we've had since this wave 3 started way down here. So this is all higher highs, higher lows, nice breaker structure. Most likely the wave 3 is over. A wave 4 should come next, and a wave 4 is potentially a pullback to the wave 3. So that's what this red Fibonacci retracement is. If it really is a wave 4, I would expect a 38 or a 50% pullback. I would also expect this to probably take about 10 trading days from the top of this move, which will probably put us out at least until next week. First move down, probably A. Next move up, likely a crescent to that move down, wave B. And then probably down for a wave C to the 38 or the 50%. Because the wave 2 is a very common ABC, there's a very good chance that this wave 4, because of the alternating wave theory of Elliot wave, there's a good chance that this potential wave 4 is going to turn into a more complex pattern. So don't be so surprised if it turns into like a WXY or some sort of a triangle, not a traditional ABC crescent like I'm forecasting. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.